Hey, this is Edwin. I want to show you how to play the A minor chord. And this is the chord that I'm going to show you today. It's actually called the A minor 7. This is the A minor chord that I like to play. And this is how you play it. All you got to do is first, we're going to use our middle finger first. Go to the 2nd fret, 3rd string from the top. It's going to be this note right here. Next, we're going to use our index finger. We're going to go to the 1st fret, and it's going to be the 2nd string from the bottom. And lastly, we're going to use our pinky, and we're going to actually hit the 3rd fret, 1st string from the bottom, the E string. And then all together, it's going to sound like this. And this is a great chord to play, especially in the key of G, because you can actually just leave your pinky finger right there. For example, it's going to look like this. And another variation of this is the original A minor chord, which sounds like this. It's without the pinky right there. It is very similar, actually, to the one you just learned with the pinky right there. The only difference is that the pinky's off and the ring finger is actually hitting the 2nd fret on the G string. Alright, so those are two that you can do. You can also do this one where you go to the A minor 7 that you just learned, and you can actually just take your pinky off, and then you can just play like this. Or you can put your pinky on. I like it with the pinky on. I just like the sound better. Or the regular A minor. So those are the 3 that you can try out for the A minor chord.